Hi, I'm here to talk about PenStar's credit program. I'm actually in the Rapid program, which was pretty expensive for me. I couldn't really know if I could make that leap, but I was just tired of the same old, and I needed change. My credit score was stuck at 660 for the ever, and I wanted to get back in business and just, in personal, you need your credit, credit is king. However, I'd been talking to Richard for quite a while, and this program came back around, and I'm like, I'd kind of failed with another one before, and they really weren't doing anything, and I'd paid like $700-800, and I actually missed the low interest rates, the record low interest rates. I missed that due to nothing was happening, so I was really skeptical, and they really reassured me that, we're going to get me back in the $700-800 club. So I'd been at 660 for like years. And I had an accident July 1st where it put me in a bind, and I had to, make ends meet. And my credit score had dropped to like 570. And I wasn't really happy about it, but I'm like, you know what, I got to get this back up because I want 2024 to be another year where it's new beginnings and change. So I dished out the $2,000 I really just didn't have. Or actually, it was a sale, but it's a normally $2,000 program. And within the 2 months that I've been in the program, I did see my credit score go up 100 points, and I was shocked. But if there's any other issues that I had, I'll tell you, I have, probably make them work for my money, but they have been exemplary. They have not had an attitude. They have just been pure, the epitome of customer service. And I just want to thank his team. Daryl, he's on the sales team. He was awesome. Some people at the sales level, they stop there and don't continue to provide service, and sometimes that's not their job, but he continually is always there to answer questions and be there, as well as Trish. So I thank them, and if not, they give me the answers that I need if they don't have it. But I appreciate Richard especially because he didn't have to take the time out. There was something I didn't understand on my credit report, and he actually took the time out to talk to me. You don't always get that with some owners, and I'm telling you, I'm fighting that right now with my LLC with Taylor Brands. So you just don't understand how much a one-on-one helps in the customer service. Like I said, even that customer service is fine, but if somebody can just get on the phone and explain to you just a little bit more in depth, that means everything in the world. So I just want to give shout out to Penn Consulting, credit repair, and everything, because y'all rock. So I thank you so much for this. And it's life-changing. I'm very thankful and grateful to see what 2024 will bring. I hope this testimonial helps others out. I know it helped me out when I was just uncertain and just really struggling to take that leap of faith. So if anybody has that struggle, I hope this testimony can be of help to you, because it's doing mine. I can't wait to get in there and crush 2024. So anyway, Happy New Year to everyone, and I hope you have a prosperous one. Thank you. And thank PenStar. Thank you, Richard.